Hi everyone, and welcome to module number 8 for ME83 Computational Mechanical Engineering Lab. So topics within our module number 8, we're going to be working on our lab number 6, which is the frequency analysis lab. You're going to be submitting this as an assignment through Blackboard the same way you've done your first 5 labs. Due dates for this lab number 6, this has been posted to Blackboard and it is available, and this will be due on Sunday the 16th by the end of the day. Now, a reminder, as always, we do have recitation hours scheduled for Tuesdays from 5:05 till 5:55 p.m., and this is going to be remote on Teams. Now, these are mandatory, and this will be your opportunity to meet with your other classmates and team members to ask any questions that you have as you're working through the labs, homework assignments, and to also work together on your group project for the end of the semester. So now let's take a look at the details for this module number 8. So within this module, you're going to be completing your lab number 6, which deals with frequency analysis. So in this tutorial, you're going to be going through and performing a frequency analysis on a shaft and bearing assembly. Now I'm asking you to use a Word or PDF document at the end that's going to contain your results, and this will be submitted as your deliverable for this tutorial. So as you're working through this, you're going to complete the SOLIDWORKS simulation, this labeled frequency analysis. Now this tutorial is going to be located in the frequency buckling and thermal section on SOLIDWORKS. You're going to complete the remainder of the tutorial with the following notes in mind. So in the section that's labeled listing resonant frequencies, you're going to make sure to save the list of frequencies to the same location that you intend to save the assembly and the study file. Now, in the section labeled checking the accuracy of the results, the specified global mesh is 0.25 inches. Now, if a mesh size of 0.25 is too small for the computational resources, the processor, the graphics card on your computer, it's not power enough to run a mesh at this resolution, use a global mesh size of 0.5 inches instead. So this is going to depend on the computer that you're using as you complete this tutorial. And the last thing to note is that your model frequencies and plots may differ slightly from those listed in the tutorial. So let's take a look at the objectives for within this module number 8. So you're going to be completing this lab number 6, which deals with this frequency analysis. And again, before you begin this lab, please read through all the provided materials within this module as well as the previous modules, and also review this grading rubric. So again, you know exactly what to expect for the grading of this report. Once you've completed this lab, then you're going to be generating the report. And I again do encourage a PDF format for this for uploading. Answer all the questions that are asked within this, and then submit the assignment through Blackboard the same way you have for all your previous assignments. Now, as far as your required readings and viewings, again, please do read through all of the materials that I provide within this module on Blackboard, as well as the materials from the previous modules. So next, let's take a look at our semester schedule. You can see we are all the way down here to our Module 8, getting towards the end of the semester. You've completed modules 1 through 7, you've completed your labs 1 through 5, and your project idea assignment as well, which is going to be due on the 9th. So within your module number 8, we're now talking about this new topic of frequency analysis, and you do have a new assignment, your lab number 6, and you can see your lab 6 will be due on Sunday at the end of the day on the 16th.